Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to solve the multi-step equation. So our first equation is 3 times x plus 4 is equal to 21. This equation we can solve in two ways. In first method we can divide both sides by the 3 and simplify further and isolate the variable x. In second method, we can multiply this 3 with the parenthesis x plus 4 and simplify further and isolate the variable x. So let us see the first method. Let us divide both sides by 3. Whatever we do on the left side, the same thing we have to do on the right side also. So 3 divided by 3 is just 1. So we have only x plus 4 on the left side, and on the right side 21 divided by 3 is 7. So now it is just a one step equation. To remove this 4 from the left side, I mean to isolate the variable x, we need to remove this plus 4 from the left side. So for it, we will subtract 4 from both the sides. So minus 4 on the left side as well minus 4 on the right side. So plus 4 minus 4 will be 0. So only x will be left on the left side, and on the right side 7 minus 4 is just 3. So x is equal to 3 is the solution of this equation. Now let us see the second method. So we need to multiply this 3 with the parenthesis x plus 4. So we will have 3 times x plus 3 times 4 will be 12 and is equal to 21 on the right side as it is. Now first we need to isolate this 3x. So we need to remove this plus 12. Now there is a plus sign between 3x and 12. We will do exactly opposite of the addition, which is subtraction. So we will subtract 12 from both the sides. So now on the left side plus 12 minus 12 is 0 and 3x will be there on the left side. On the right side we have 21 minus 12, which is 9. Now there is a multiplication between 3 and x. So to remove 3, we have to do exactly opposite of the multiplication, which is division. So we will divide both sides by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is just 1. So only x will be there on the left side, and on the right side 9 divided by 3 will be 3. So x is equal to 3. You can see that we have the same answer by both the methods. So method doesn't matter at all. You can use any method to solve this equation. You will get the same answer. Now let us see one more question. We have 5x minus 7 is equal to 25 minus 2x. So what we will do is we will write all the terms with the variable x on the one side of the equation and all the constant terms on the another side of the equation. So we have this minus 2x on the right side. If we will shift it on the left side, it will become plus 2x. Or we can add 2x on both the sides. So we will have 5x minus 7 plus 2x is equal to 25 minus 2x plus 2x. We have added 2x on both the sides. You can see that on the right side minus 2x plus 2x will be 0. So we can cross out these two terms. So now we have 5x minus 7 plus 2x is equal to 25. Let me write it here. 5x minus 7 plus 2x is equal to 25. So now we have x terms on the left side, but still we need to shift this constant term minus 7 on the right side. So for that, if we will do it directly, minus 7 will be plus 7 on the right side. Or what we can do is, we can add 7 on both the sides. Let us add 7 on both the sides. So plus 5x minus 7 plus 2x as it is. Let us add 7 on the left side. Since we have added 7 on the left side, we have to add it on the right side as well. So now on the left side, you can see that minus 7 plus 7 will be 0. So we can cross out these two terms. So now we have 5x plus 2x is equal to 25 plus 7 will be 32. So now on the left side we have 5x plus 2x, which is 7x, is equal to 32. Now to isolate the variable x, we need to remove this 7 which is in multiplication with x. So we will apply exactly opposite operation of the multiplication, which is division. So we will divide both sides by 7. So now 7 divided by 7 is 1. So only x is there on the left side, and on the right side we have 32 divided by 7. So our answer is 32 divided by 7. If you want, you can convert this in the decimal number also. Now let us see one more equation. We have 4 times x minus 3 plus 2x is equal to 2 times x plus 5 plus 6. So let us multiply 4 over this parenthesis x minus 3. So we will have 4x minus 4 times 3 will be 12 plus 2x as it is equal to 2 times x will be 2x plus 2 times 5 will be 10 and plus 6 will be as it is. Now let us simplify. 4x plus 2x will be 6x and minus 12 as it is on the left side. On the right side we have 2x and 10 plus 6 is 16. Now let us write all the terms with variable x on the left side, and let us write constant terms on the right side. So let us bring this 2x on the left side. So plus 2x will become minus 2x. So 6x minus 2x minus 12 as it is, and on the right side we have 16 because we already shifted this plus 2x on the left side. Now let us shift this minus 12 on the right side. So minus 12 will become plus 12 on the right side. So we have 6x minus 2x is equal to 16 plus 12. Now let us simplify. 6x minus 2x will be 4x is equal to 16 plus 12 would be 28. Now there is a multiplication between 4 and x. So we will do exactly opposite of multiplication, which is division. So we will divide both sides by 4 to isolate x. So 4 divided by 4 is just 1. So we have only x on the left side, and on the right side 28 divided by 4 will be 7. So our answer is x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 is the solution of this equation. Hope this video will help you how to solve the multi-step equations.